everyone, welcome to Listen and Comprehend English with Miss Angelina. I'm Angelina, and for more lessons, subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this lesson, you listen to a recording related to a woman looking for her lost dog. After listening to the recording, answer the questions given at the end of the recording. Let's see how many of you can get all the answers right. So let's get started. Hey, my name is Julia, and I'm so worried. I'm looking for my lost dog. Here's a poster for a lost dog. The dog's called Sherry. It's a 3-year-old male. Help me find my dog. Lost in the Central Park near Blue Lake Cafe on Monday, 10th June at 4 p.m. And there's a reward of €500 for a safe return. You can contact 012-655-47862 in case you find the dog. Thank you. This is the end of the recording. Now answer these questions. Read the poster and then do the exercises to practice your reading skills. Write the animals in the correct groups. Cat, dog, tiger, lion, rabbit, elephant. So, you have to tell which one of these animals are pets and which one of these animals are wild animals. Check your understanding, true or false. Circle true or false for these sentences. The dog's lost. True or false? The dog's name is Sherry. True or false? The dog is a female. True or false? The dog was lost on Monday morning. True or false? The dog was lost in Central Park. True or false? There's a reward for finding the dog. True or false? Check your understanding. Fill the gaps. Complete the lost dog report. Lost dog report. Dog's name, age, date dog was lost, time dog was lost, place dog was lost, money offered for finding dog in euros. Check your understanding, error correction. Correct and write these sentences on the line. The dog is called Barry. The dog is 5 years old. The dog was lost on Tuesday. Sherry is a female dog. Sherry was lost on 10th of July. Sherry was in Central Cafe. Answers are given at the end of the recording. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Goodbye.